Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos. Welcome again, friends. Yet another interesting option made its appearance in the Dev and Canary version of Microsoft Edge Chromium. With the latest build, you can now select a text and send it to an immersive reader. This feature is quite useful when you are reading a paragraph on a website with a design that makes it hard to read. Instead of reloading the whole web page in reading view, you can select a small piece of the text and quickly open for reading from the context menu. In this guide, you'll learn the steps to how to enable and use reading view in Microsoft Edge. Use these steps. First, open Microsoft Edge Canary or Dev version. Next, follow the path. Next, click the drop-down option and click Enable option. Next, click the Restart. And select and right-click the text on the web page. Next, click the Open in Immersive Reader. Once you complete the steps, you can get text on a separate page.